Hi friends, this is Devansh and in this video I am going to tell you the methods which can be help you to lower the ping in the game Valorant. So please watch this video completely and follow the methods carefully so that you can lower the pings. And if you find this video useful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. So the first method is make your Valorant application or game as a priority in your task manager. For that, go to task manager and in the details, once you run your application, go to details and here find the game. So once you scroll down, you will find Riot client service.exe. Right click on it and set priorities, go to and make it high. So click on change priority then. Similarly, again search and you will find Valorant. In the downside, go to Valorant, then right click on it and set priority as high for this also. So once you set the priority as high for both Valorant and the Riot game services, then hopefully you will get a lower ping than before. Try this method and please tell me if you are getting a good result or not. So the next method is change the DNS server. For that, go to the settings. In settings, you have to go to networks and internet. Once you reach into network and internet, go to the Wi-Fi or Ethernet, whichever you are using, and then go to change adapter option. Here, choose the Wi-Fi and click on properties. In case of Ethernet, choose the Ethernet. Now search for the Internet Protocol version 4 and then double click on it. So once you double click on it, this small pop-up window is open. So here click on use the following DNS server address. Now you have to provide the DNS server address. So for getting a better DNS server address, you have to go to command prompt. In command prompt, you have to type this command ping and give this DNS server 8.8.8.8. So then this will give you the average speed of this DNS server. So here we are getting 13 MAS. Now check for the next DNS server, which is 1.1.1.1, and we will get the average speed of that DNS server. So whichever is lesser for you, use that DNS server. So here we will use 8.8.8.8, and in alternate DNS server you have to give 8.8.4.4. So if in your case you are getting 1.1.1.1 as the better DNS server, then just again open it and this time give the DNS server as 1.1.1.1 and alternate DNS server as 1.1.0.0. So this is the setting which you have to give in both the scenarios, whichever you are getting as better DNS server speed. And once you give this, save this and try to open the Valorant again and check if you are getting a better ping or lower ping or not. So the last method is use of the registry editor. For that, type registry editor here and open it. So once you open the registry editor, you have to follow few commands and few address where you have to go. So I will put all of this address in my description so that you can copy it from there and directly paste it in your registry editor like this. So once you paste it and press enter, you will reach to that folder. So here I copy pasted this first address and pasted it in my registry editor, and I reached into the system profile folder. Here in system profile folder, you have to go to this second option and just double click on it and change the value data as FFFF 6 times and press OK. Once you press OK, so its value get changed. So this part is done. Now again go to the next address. This will you find in my description. Copy it there and then again go to registry editor and paste it here. Once you paste it here, you will reach to that address. Here in the interfaces, find the interface which has the maximum number of records. In which you got the maximum number of records, create a new keyword key and this time give the name TCPACK frequency. I will put this on the description also. You will copy it from there also. So just rename it as TCPACK frequency. Then double click on it and give the value data as 1. So this is done. Now again create a new value and this time give the value TCP no delay. So copy it from the description and give a new, so not key is wrong, we have to give a new dword value. So let me delete this. Go here. Now again click on new, go to dword 32-bit value, give the name TCP no delay, double click on it and give the value data as 1. So this is done. Now you have given all the value. Now go to the next address, which is this, and copy it into your registry editor. Once you copy into the registry editor, go to that folder MSMQ, press enter, you will go to that folder. Now again here you have to create a dword 32-bit file. New, go to dword 32-bit value. Now paste the name as TCP no delay. You can copy it from the description, and in the same sequence I will put the description so that you can follow the steps in the same sequence. Give the value as TCP no delay, and that's it. Double click on it, or you can choose modify also. Once you double click on it, give the value data as 1 and okay, that's it. Now in the MSMQ folder only, you have to create a new key which will create as a folder. Give the name as properties. Once you give the name as the properties, now in the properties you have to create another dword 32-bit value and give the name as TCP no delay. So click on new dword 32-bit value and give the value as TCP no delay. Double click on it or click on modify and give the value data as 1 and press on OK. So that's it. So these are all the changes you have to do in registry editor, and after that check that in the Valorant game you are getting the lower ping or not. So if you find this helpful, please comment down below and let me know, and if it is really help, make sure to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for